Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use limit orders on Coinbase. A limit order allows you to buy or sell a cryptocurrency at a specific price you set, or better. Unlike a market order, which executes immediately at the current market price, a limit order waits for your desired price point. This gives you greater control over your trade execution, helping you achieve your target entry or exit price for assets like Bitcoin or Ethereum. To begin, log into your Coinbase account and navigate to the trading interface. Once there, select the specific cryptocurrency you wish to trade, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Next, look for the order type options and choose Limit Order. This selection is crucial for setting your preferred price rather than accepting the immediate market rate. Now, you'll need to set your order parameters. First, enter the exact price at which you want to buy or sell the cryptocurrency. For example, you might set a buy price of $25,000 for one Bitcoin. Then, specify the amount of crypto you wish to trade, perhaps 0.05 Bitcoin. Always review the total cost or proceeds before confirming your order. After placing your limit order, it will remain open until your specified price is met and the order is fully filled, or until you decide to cancel it. You can easily monitor the status of your active orders within the Open Orders section of your Coinbase account. If market conditions change, you have the flexibility to modify or cancel your order at any time before it executes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.